let's get started. I didn't like that.
That
was corny.
Let's get started.
That was corny. Hello, my name is Dave. On our 1/2" pins. So let's go through the different. You stupid thing. Here to put all my tool holders in. As it put into an ER regular, put into an one of those days.
Yeah, I get it.
Let's go ahead and take our ER16 collet and let's snap it in to the nut.
I was gonna say, you start right back pretty much where you were.
How to get coolant through my non-coolant through tool. Standard coolant flush method with the hose. Hang on it. Tongue-tied. As you are more than that. Hang on, pause for a moment. Yeah. Fudge. I need that one. Tool holder. That didn't go well. Now, I mentioned you have 2 options for coolant flush. Well, we do. I'm having struggles today, man.
Man, I get it.
And these are good for 1500 PSI. If you have any questions on those, please feel free to reach out.
Cool.
It's 1500, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done. It's like, I don't talk about this that often.
It's 14
foot-pound drop, so significantly different. I have no idea why it just did that. That was really weird. I don't like where this is going. Okay. And in good part of all, all I have to do now is push the on button, which did not work. Cut. Let's face it. We are all guilty of not taking care of our tool holders. Isn't it nice how it spins around? You can find it in the hard copy and also at REGO-FIX. Almost at it. The spindle holds the cutting tool, which is then the torque device back. Okay, so here there's a stupid okay. Come on. Come on. Well, as far as the backup screw goes, let's just get rid of it. Move on to some other way to do it.
Good.
We are back over at our Torco depth. I'll just start over. Lost where I was going. What about our metallic, for your live tools or your high-speed spindle machines? That's a bad combination. Start that over. Okay. Man, tongue-tied. You want to call it that and back up. I don't want to do that.
Yep,
It's one of those days. Hello, my name is David McHenry. I'm the REGO-FIX Engineering and Technical Manager. Hello, welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Talk. Today, 10 millimeter scratch or